I mentioned in the King David Storytime video that I will be back. I also stated that a reunion with King David would be my first action. Well, folks, I'm true to my word. Within 1 hour of arriving in Diani, I set out to find King David. Within 30 minutes of walking around, I found King David close to my favorite coffee shop, Java House. He gave me the biggest hug ever while repeating, "My brother from another mother." I didn't stop to record it because it was natural and spontaneous and I didn't want to spoil the moment. I invited him to join me for dinner and then told him that I made a video about him and that I shared it with the world. He was all smiles, but I could tell he didn't really understand what I meant. He thanked me, but then he said that he prefers that I buy him rice and oil so he can take it back to his village and have a big dinner with his family. Total respect. He agreed to have coffee, so we sat down and recorded his reaction to seeing the video for the very first time. I didn't want to interrupt him because it was clear he was taking it all in.
So we were so inspired by you the last time we met you, that we made this video about the village experience that we had at your village when you took us to your village. So this is it.
What would you do if a total stranger started chatting with you while you were killing time at Starbucks in Java House, who then invites you to their village? This man's name is King David. The answer is a resounding yes. About most of King David. Because he was full of grace and pride as he spoke about his village, and how he spoke from the heart about the children in his village. My crew and I, does that. Only the hopeless, most gracious.
Wow, it's very great. Super, man. That's cool.
That all his friends walks the back roads every morning into town and returns via the same route each night. Called for his meeting and started handing out the tickets. Some of the kids were shy, but who could blame them given that they were strangers? However, some kids were sure to show up twice. He showed us around the area and pointed out the many fruit trees and gardens. We soon ran out of biscuits, but we were able to purchase sweets from a village shop. This allowed King David to ensure that each and every kid received a treat of some kind. My favorite part of the visit was the school located at the heart of the village. King David was immediately welcomed by the teachers at the school. Seeing the kids in their uniforms again reminded me of my childhood in Lebanon. Though the teachers were accommodating, I could not help but feel like we were intruding. So we opted to observe without interrupting. What King David doesn't know is that when I return, he will be the first person I look up. Hopefully, he will join me for many more coffees at Java House.
It's inspired by you, the kind of person you are, and the kindness you showed, and how much you spoke about your village and the children, and the joy you felt. And it was infectious. It was really good. You're very welcome.
Respect.
Thank you.
Respect.
Thank you.
I am so lucky to have gotten such an authentic reaction from someone who has had such a profound impact on me.
You're cool. You're
Then something good.
yeah.
You know what needs? Need to be trusted. Love one another. Love children. Love people. I'm not worse than me. We are all the same. But trust is more important. Make others to learn something new. Be true. Be kind. Be honest. And people, they will be with you.
Right.
It's the message.
Here.
What did I tell you, folks? He is the most thoughtful and humble person that I know. Stay tuned for a full in-depth video of my interview with King David. And be sure to like and subscribe for more Kenya content.